How to underline chapter headings in Word document. Open the Word app. First of all, write something on page. Just click on dot icon from list. Select Borders and Shading. Click on Borders. Select Style. Also select the color. We usually use black color. Also select the width of line. Now look at Preview and select the line which is needed. Also remove the lines that are not needed. Select only the last line which you want to use. You will see the line below the heading in Word document. That is how you can underline headings in Word document. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.